Welcome to Technodudes. Today we will discuss about ultrasonic sensor. In our main agenda is what is ultrasonic sensor, about SCSR04, components required, how it works, pin configuration, circuit diagram and its applications. So first of all, what is ultrasonic sensor? An ultrasonic sensor is a device that measures the distance to an object using the sound waves. It is also known as a sonar to measure the sea depth. It works by sending out a sound wave at ultrasonic frequency and waits for it to bounce back from the object. Then the time delay between transmission of sound and receiving of sound is used to calculate the distance. We divide the distance formula by 2, and because the sound waves travels a round trip, I mean from the sensor and back to the sensor, which doubles the actual distance. SCSR04 module. It is a type of ultrasonic sensor which can be used in interfacing with the Arduino. The SCSR04 module is an ultrasonic ranging module. This economical sensor provides 2 cm to 400 cm for non-contact measurement functionality with a ranging accuracy that can reach up to 3 mm. Each SCSR04 module includes an ultrasonic transmitter, a receiver, and a control circuit. There are 4 pins on the SCSR04 module. First one is VCC, which is a 5-volt supply, then ground, which is a 0 volt, then trigger pin, which can transmit the signal, and echo pin, which can receive the signal. This is the diagram of SCSR04 module. Then components required. To interface an ultrasonic sensor with an Arduino, then the components are required: Arduino Uno, SCSR04 module, breadboard is optional, and jumper wires. How it works. Ultrasonic sensor transmits the sound waves. These waves are reflected back from the surface of an object. Ultrasonic sensors receives the reflected waves. Then it measures the time elapsed during the entire process from transmission and the receiver. It is known as a round trip time. This time is equal to distance between of an object and its sensor itself. I have also provided some visual prescription to easily understand the working principle of an ultrasonic sensor. This is the diagrammatical view of the working principle. In this, the first ultrasonic sensor transmitted the wave to a solid object and then the reflected wave through the echo pin. The pin configuration. Pinout diagram provides us information about all the pins of an electronic device. This is the pin configuration of an SCSR04 or ultrasonic sensor module. Circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of interfacing of Arduino with the SCSR04 module to measure the distance. Then we go through the application part. Ultrasonic sensor is also known as a sonar to measure the sea depth. Level measurement and distance measurement occur in all sectors of industry. In fully automated bottled plants, many different substances are filled into containers of various shapes. For a smooth process, permanent level controls with the distance sensors are needed. Ultrasonic sensors are well suited for level monitoring and control. This is due to the fact that the sensors are measure the level of both the liquid and the solid material, no matter of the color. Then third one is biogas plants. In biogas plants, produce biogas by fermenting biomass, mostly animal excrements and plants. The biogas is usually fed into one-site cogeneration plants to generate electricity and heat. The microbial process anaerobic degradation of biomass is the basis for the generation of disaster gases such as landfill gases, sewer gas, swamp gas, and biogas. The gas volume in the corresponding containers is detected by the means of the ultrasonic sensor. A trampoline is stretched over a tank which expands as the gas volume increases. The ultrasonic sensor is mounted above the trampoline. The sensor measures the decreasing distance between the trampoline and itself. In conjunction with the control unit, the control system is informed when the maximum capacity has been reached. So thank you. For the code, go through the link given in the description.